My 5 secrets to perfect text alignment in UI design. Let's go. 1. Stop centering everything. Center alignment is great sometimes, but at the end of the day, it only works for short, simple titles. As soon as you take center alignment and put it into long, messy paragraphs, it's immediately the most migraine-inducing headache ever because the eyes work too hard to find the start of each line every single time you're trying to read anything that's long about anything at all. So center alignment is something that you really need to be careful with, especially for long body text. Number 2, left alignment is your best friend. Left aligned text is easier to read in most languages, especially if they are going left to right, which is true for most languages, including English, and it creates a strong anchor on the page where every single line is starting from one end, so you don't have to go around looking for what's going on every 5 seconds. And it's perfect for paragraphs, lists, and UI labels, so that's kind of a consistent way of doing things if you're looking for it that way. Number 3, use right alignment only for special cases, and this is great for numbers in tables, prices, or timestamps where you're kind of visually showing that something different is going on right now, and it's rarely, if ever, used in body copy because it feels very unnatural for reading. Some languages do have a right to left aligned way of doing things. For example, Persian. As long as you're staying in English, right alignment for the majority of text is usually a bad idea. Number 4, keep alignment consistent. Don't mix alignment in the same section without a clear reason, because consistent alignment is cleaner and calmer and will give you a more stable way of doing things. If your text block looks wobbly, then you're probably having a hard time with alignment, just like I'm having a hard time with this hair. Number 5, respect the grid. Align text in your layout with a layout grid or layout columns, not because this is the new modern way of doing things, but because eyeballing stuff will make your design so much more random than you want it to be, and respecting the current layout grid lets your design feel professional and balanced and stay in the way it's continuing without messing things, without shifting things to the right or left too much. Margins, paddings, and waistline alignment matter just as much as the text itself. Bonus tip, because I have way too many tips and you have way too many good designs to make, watch your line length, because too wide lines are really hard to track in the long term, and when you have too short lines, then text reading becomes choppy because you're reading 2 words and then you ultimately have to go to the next line. The sweet spot for most current web designs is 45 to 75 characters per line for body text, which is the best way to do things, especially if you're just doing long pieces of body text. And so whenever I'm doing alignment for anything at all in the long term, it's always, headings will always go center or left, body text will always go to the left, and numbers can go to the right if you want very clean, neat columns, and if there is the concept of columns going on in the first place. Always align with the grids, not with your feelings, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, subscribe.